In this quick video, I'll show you how to change wallpaper in laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So the method or process I will show you in this video will be exactly same for PC and laptop, and it will be also same for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. So to change our wallpaper, we just need to right click on our desktop, then go to personalize, and the next thing you will see is this page where we can change our background or wallpaper. You can say we can set our background as picture, solid color or slideshow. If we set it to solid color, you can see multiple colors are here. If I set it to this color, then you can see my color has been changed for my background. So this is how we can set it to solid color. You can choose any color from here, but if you want to have a picture for your background, then we can set it to picture, and then we can simply choose any picture from here. We can set it to this by clicking on it, and after that you can see my wallpaper has been changed. I can again set it to different picture as well, you can see. And if you want to have a custom image as your wallpaper, for that we can simply click on this browse, and then we can simply access or choose any wallpaper from our computer. In my case, you can see if I want to have this wallpaper, then I can simply click on it and then click on choose picture in bottom, and now you can see my wallpaper has been changed to this car. And also there is one more option, which is slideshow. We can set a slideshow for our desktop background. We can choose multiple images by clicking on this browse and then select the multiple images. We can also choose our interval. We can set it to 1 minute, 10 minutes, so that the background will be automatically changed by the interval time. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.